Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to make big 3D prints for a modest price? The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer produces jumbo-sized prints, a rarity for sub-$500 3D printers, and in our testing, printed more than 20 objects of generally very good quality. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation are easy enough. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. The Neptune 4 Plus is a good choice for a hobbyist on a budget or a newbie willing to roll up their sleeves. The Neptune supports many filament types and can produce large prints. Some basic assembly is required, but setup is relatively easy, and it consistently produced good quality prints in our testing. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is not only an affordable 3D printer, but also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed, too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and continues to be problem-free while you're printing. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a filament-based 3D printer suitable for beginners and budget-minded hobbyists alike. It's the lowest-cost 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printer currently on the market and a superb choice for someone who wants a stellar out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and some money left in the bank. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Fast, precise, and with exceptional automatic resin handling, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a great choice for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals seeking an SLA 3D printer for personal or business use. It can generate the smallest of miniatures up through exceptionally large models, with easy-to-use remote monitoring. Its excellent resin management works entirely behind the scenes, allowing you to get to the print quickly and cleanly. The printer's light source system easily handles the most stringent calibration files down to the 10-micron level with remarkable print quality. And it comes in at a very reasonable price for a 3D printer of its capabilities. The Mono M7 Max is a nearly perfect device for the resin-curious and enthusiasts alike, with a build quality that approaches industrial grade, along with exceptional reliability and fine detail. It should appeal to professionals seeking a 3D printer for prototyping and short-run manufacturing, as well as artists, hobbyists, and anyone seeking a resin-based printer to quickly output high-quality prints. Because the M7 Max buries its powerful technology beneath an intuitive and responsive UI, both new and veteran users can go from unboxing to finished prints with as little resin interaction as possible.